Today, we're going to talk about how to regrow your hair. So whether you are losing hair or your hair is becoming thinner or you have alopecia, this video is for you.
Understanding hair loss is crucial for anyone seeking to maintain or restore their hair's vitality. Hair loss can stem from various factors, including genetics, hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, and lifestyle choices. Genetics play a significant role, with conditions like androgenetic alopecia being hereditary. Hormonal changes, particularly involving androgens like dihydrotestosterone, DHT, can lead to hair follicle miniaturization, resulting in thinning hair. Nutritional deficiencies such as low levels of iron, zinc, and vitamin D can weaken hair follicles, making them more susceptible to shedding. Additionally, chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can disrupt the hair growth cycle and accelerate hair loss. Dr.berg. Incorporating the best foods for hair loss into your diet can make a significant difference. Protein-rich foods like chicken, turkey, and soybeans are excellent sources of histidine, an amino acid vital for keratin production, the protein that forms the structure of your hair. Dairy products and eggs also contribute to higher histidine levels, supporting hair strength and growth. Organ meats such as liver are nutrient-dense and provide essential vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair. Dark leafy greens, rich in folate, protect DNA from damage and support hair follicle health. Dr.berg inflammation and hair loss are closely linked. Chronic inflammation can damage hair follicles, leading to conditions like alopecia areata. Managing inflammation through a balanced diet and lifestyle changes is crucial. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods, such as fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, berries high in antioxidants, and nuts containing healthy fats, can help reduce inflammation and support hair health. Additionally, avoiding processed foods and sugars that contribute to inflammation is essential. Dr.berg. Your microbiome affects hair loss more than you might realize. A healthy gut microbiome aids in nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body receives the vitamins and minerals necessary for hair growth. Imbalances in gut bacteria can lead to malabsorption issues, depriving hair follicles of essential nutrients. Probiotics and a diet rich in fiber can promote a healthy gut environment, enhancing nutrient uptake and supporting hair vitality. Dr.berg. Understanding how DHT affects hair loss is vital. DHT, a derivative of testosterone, binds to receptors in hair follicles, causing them to shrink, a process known as follicular miniaturization. Over time, this leads to thinner hair strands and eventually the cessation of new hair growth. Inhibiting the production or activity of DHT can help prevent this process. Natural DHT blockers include foods rich in zinc, such as pumpkin seeds and oysters, and herbs like saw palmetto. Dr.berg chronic stress and hair loss are interconnected. Elevated stress levels increase cortisol production, which can disrupt the hair growth cycle, pushing hair follicles into the shedding phase prematurely. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, regular physical activity, and adequate sleep can help manage stress levels. Engaging in hobbies, spending time in nature, and connecting with loved ones also contribute to stress reduction, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Dr.berg. For unfiltered health information and personalized advice, consider signing up for newsletters from reputable health professionals. These resources offer insights into the latest research, practical tips, and strategies tailored to your health needs. Staying informed empowers you to make decisions that positively impact your hair health and overall well-being. To learn more about how to grow hair back, explore resources that delve into the underlying causes of hair loss, and offer evidence-based solutions. Understanding the role of hormones, nutrition, and lifestyle factors provides a comprehensive approach to hair restoration. Consulting with healthcare providers can also offer personalized strategies to address hair loss effectively. In summary, maintaining healthy hair involves a multifaceted approach that includes a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, managing stress, understanding hormonal influences, and staying informed through reputable health resources. By addressing these areas, you can support your hair's health and work towards effective regrowth strategies.